As the search and operations enter the fourth day of the Wayanad landslides, rescue teams using advanced technical gadgets and dogs continue to look for survivors and recover the bodies that have been buried under the debris of the devastating Wayanad landslides. One of the Kerala's worst natural calamities, the number of bodies recovered from the Wayanad landslides has now risen to over 300. While 187 people nearly have been discharged from the hospitals. However, over 300 people are still missing, with little or no hope of them being alive under the debris and the devastating landslides that have washed villages in Wayanad. Around 40 rescue teams, along with the cadaver dogs, are conducting thorough search and rescue operations in almost 6 zones of the landslide hit areas. The dogs are using their keen sense of smell to help and find the survivors trapped in the rubble. Now, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Anand, who is live from the spot where the rescue and the relief missions are underway and ongoing ever since the landslide has affected the district and washed villages. Anand, coming straight to you about what is the current situation at the ground at this moment, and still, as we can understand, that rescue and relief operations are underway. The hope to recover more body, the hope to actually safeguard more people has intensified or not?
Simran, look, today is the 5th day of rescue and relief operations that has been undergoing for the last 5 days over here in Mundakai and Churamalai area of Wayanad. And currently we are around half kilometers away from Mundakai town, one of the picturesque town, and you can see the destruction that has been caused by the massive landslide that occurred on Monday morning. Some of the forest officials informed us that they urged the local residents over here on the 27th and 28th July to vacate the area, and they also announced for evacuation, but their warnings were unattended by the people, and the destruction is now completely visible. And as you can see over here, this is one of the schools over here, and you can see the remains over here, that how a vehicle has been washed away. It's a bullet Himalayan vehicle, and even you can see the beds of several of the people, and also the tiffin boxes and several other utensils you can see over here in the debris, and even a small cycle of a small child over here lying in the debris. So this is the area where still the rescue team is yet to come, and we are being informed that over 100 people from this place have been missing, and they have not yet been traced. And as you can see in the visuals over here, I will show you. This place used to be one of the state cottages, and it used to house around 6 families over here, in which more than 50 members were present. But after the landslide, all those people have now been missing, and the rescue and relief operation for the same is yet to be started over at this place. And even a small bridge used to connect this region to that bank of the river, and that small bridge is also washed, and on the banks there were around 5 to 7 houses. You can see in the rumbles the destruction. All those houses have been washed away, and you can see the stones, how those stones have been carried along with the mudslide and the landslide that happened 3 kilometers up from here in Mundakai. So even on the school building, you can see the splash of mud that is more than 25 feet in height. And we are over here joined by one of the local who is Ashik, and Ashik ji has informed us that he came to Mundakai at this is his in-laws place in Mundakai, and their in-laws family has lost over 20 family members. Ashik ji, यहाँ पे कितने लोग थे?
टी कॉटेज, टी एस्टेट कॉटेज, 1 cottage, 6 family, इधर कॉटेज उधर कॉटेज पूरा फैमिली गया.
Okay.
हाँ. उधर है हाउस है 4 और 5 हाउस. एक हाउस 5 मेंबर्स फैमिली मेंबर्स गया.
गया. और यहाँ पे ये स्कूल
एलपी स्कूल है.
हाँ.
केरला एलपी स्कूल है. एलपी स्कूल है उधर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नीचे थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. उधर स्कूल ग्राउंड है. इधर
स्कूल का playground.
हाँ प्ले ग्राउंड है सर. 2019 छोटा
लैंडस्लाइड.
हाँ लैंडस्लाइड. इधर और एक ब्रिज एक वुड ब्रिज गया. एक इंडस्ट्रियल ब्रिज है न्यू.
वो भी.
हाँ वो भी है.
So you heard Simran from Ashik that how 6 of the family members, 6 families residing over here, more than 50 family members of the T Estate cottage, they have been missing, and around 4 to 5 families over there in those houses, of which you can see only their debris present over there across the river. Those all houses have been washed away, and all those people are still missing. So the rescue and relief operations are being carried out by the personals of the Indian Army along with the personnel of NDRF, Coast Guard and several other disaster relief forces who are working round the clock to ensure that more and more bodies are recovered. As of now, 308 dead are confirmed, and more than 300 people are still missing, for which the rescue and relief operations are underway, and the Indian Army personnel, especially from the Southern Command, they are using sniffer dogs. They have brought their well-trained dogs of Labrador breed to look for the people buried down these debris, as there is debris of around 8 to 10 feet, as this mud and whatever rock sediments that has been carried along with the extreme flow of the river on the night of Monday. You can see around 8 to 10 feet of debris over here, and it will take time for the rescue personnel, and even you can see there now the rescue and relief operations have started, as some of the rescue team members have come and they have started digging the portion to look for any chances of the dead bodies over there, and they have got ropes, they have got iron rods in their hand so that they can hit in the ground and they can check where are there any signs visible of any bodies over there. So they are
Anand,
still
I would also
looking
like to
for
understand,
several of
as
the-
you are there on the Wayanad landslide spot, are there any signs of survivors being traced there, as you are currently mentioning that sniffer dogs are being used very pertinently in the rescue operations? Are there also any survivors that are being traced right now or being made in touch? And if at all there is the army person deployed from the commander level that who's undertaking the mission at the moment, who we can speak to as well?
Yeah, look, there are several of the senior officials from Indian Army who are commanding from Churamala site, and they are assisting all the Indian Army troopers over here that how many teams need to go in which directions of Mundakai and Churamala villages, and they have asked to look for the survivors anywhere. Yesterday, we saw that how dramatically, after 4 days of the rescue operation, 4 people were found alive in the debris. But now the chances for finding any survivors alive are very bleak, as it's been more than 120 hours. It's already 5 days. So the chances are very bleak. Even when we spoke to ADG of Kerala Police over here, Mr. Ajit, he mentioned that now as more than 4 days have passed yesterday, so there are very thin chances that any survivor who can be found alive is there. So looking at the extreme condition and looking at the slash of mud and debris, which is around 8 to 10 feet in height, it looks very impossible, and it will be a miracle if someone today is also found alive, because yesterday when the news broke that 4 people have been found alive, there was smiles on the faces of the Indian Armed Forces and several other agencies who are working round the clock to look for the survivors. Back to you, Simran.
Well, all right, Anand. We understand that, of course, with the help of army and all the other paramilitary forces as well, who have been roped in this mission to safeguard as many lives as possible and to continue the rescue operations to ascertain that more and more lives are saved. The Wayanad rescue operations continue with the hope to get the victims first and to also save as many lives as possible. Thank you, Anand. With all these inputs, we'll keep coming back to you. Now, moving on to an important story which is coming on the IAS.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.